Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Ace and you are welcome to my kitchen. In today's video I'll be showing you how I prepare this pepper goat meat. Very delicious. If you want to know, keep on watching to the very end of this video. So here is the goat meat that I'll be using. I've already washed it thoroughly, so this is just the meat, and I will transfer into this bowl. So after washing it, I season it and leave it for about hour or 1 hour and 30 minutes. Then I'm going to add my onions and my water. After adding this, and I will take it to my gas. So this is it. I will allow it to cook until it becomes soft. So here I'm going to dice on my green pepper, onions, which I will be using later. So for this process, I did not show you guys the process why I blended my red pepper and onions and the scotch bonnet. I did not show you guys that part. I'm very sorry guys. Next time I will show you the part. So I'm going to dice all my pepper here. Look at what I'm doing. Keep on watching. I'm still dicing. I'll be back. So guys, I finished dicing all the peppers and onions. So my meat is already cooked and it's very soft. So I take it down and add oil to my frying pan to fry the meat. This together, see that I will add my green pepper. This is optional. If you don't like it, don't add this, and the onions, I just like it, that's why I add it to it. So this is the outcome of it. So if you enjoy watching, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next one. Bye.